How to delete card details from Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can delete your card details from the Amazon app. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to delete card details from your Amazon account, then first of all just go to amazon.com in a browser on your Mac or PC and log into your account if necessary. Hover the cursor over the accounts and list section and then click on the option called your account, as you can see over here, to access your account information. As and when you do that, select the option called payment options located under the ordering and shopping preferences subhead in the left column. And as you do that, under your credit and debit cards option, click the down arrow to the right of the card that you want to delete. So you can see the down arrow icon next to the card you want to delete, and you just have to click on the option called remove, which is again at the bottom right corner of the screen, and the details including this card is actually going to get successfully removed from your Amazon account. That's all it takes to delete your card details from Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.